Oh my goodness. Guess what, guys? Look. Look. Guess what? Profiles Backstage. First of all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing. I have some exciting news for you guys. I got my swag bag in, this month's swag bag, and I have 2 of them. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway. The third package that I have is from another order that I placed with them. I'm also going to show you the products that I got in this, but I'm going to show you the stuff in the swag bag. I'm going to do a little design, and at the end of the video, I will let you know what you need to do to be entered in the giveaway. We can't waste any more time. I'm super excited, so let's get started. I'm going to get into my first package that I ordered. It's not the swag bag. I wanted to show you the stuff that I ordered myself. I needed some matte polish, some stickers, and you can't have enough of the starfish and shells. If I can talk, sorry guys, it's in the morning that I'm doing this. But they were on sale for like $1, so I couldn't pass them up. I grabbed them. Summer's around the corner, so yeah. Okay, like I said, this is what I ordered from Profiles Backstage on my own, and now I'm going to show you what's going to be in the swag bag, which is also the giveaway. Drum roll, please. Okay guys, so this is the stuff that you'll be getting in the giveaway. There's the pearl design gel, which it seriously looks like a pearl, like a liquid pearl. Look at that. So pretty. You get that, and then you'll also get this brush. It's called the dotting tool brush. I think they made this for the spider gel and stuff because it would work perfect for that. But there's a cute little trick that you can do with the gel that I'm going to show you guys when I do my set of nails. But they also did it on the Profiles Backstage video when they showed all the stuff in the swag bag. But you'll also get these pasties, which are stickers. Look how cute. And you get the pasties tweezers. And these tweezers are going to be perfect. Look at that. They're nice and sharp and flat here, so it'd be easy to get those up without ripping them because these stickers are very thin. That way they can smooth onto the nail perfectly, and that's why we have this on the end, which will work perfectly to smooth down those stickers because it's rounded, it's not super flat, which makes more sense, you would think. But this is the only one of these that I've seen that's like that so far. But this would also work perfectly with transfer foils, just smoothing it on there. But yeah, so there's that. And also I'm going to throw in this because I didn't realize that I already had one of these. So I'm going to put that in the giveaway as well. And I will let you know how to enter at the end of this video. So keep watching and let's get started with the nail. Starting out, I have decided to take the stickers here, and these pasties are super duper thin stickers, and this particular one is one big sticker, so you have to cut it to fit the desired placement that you need it to be at. And for me, I'm going to put this on the entire ring fingernail. So as you can see, I'm just cutting it here, and then I have to cut around the cuticle so it'll fit there. You don't want it hanging off the sides too much. If there's a little bit hanging off the edges, like the free edge, it's fine, because you can take your file, or if it's too much, you can take your scissors and cut it, and then take the file and kind of file some of that extra off. And you want to do that because you want to be able to take your top coat and seal that in there. Otherwise, it will start lifting and peeling, and you just don't want that to happen. So then I'm going to take my pearl nail polish that I showed you that came in this as well, and I'm going to cover this entire nail before I put my pasty on. So what I'm doing now, I'm just taking that small brush and going around the cuticle. I'm very particular when it comes to my fake hand, because I never want to get stuff on it, or I never want to harm the skin with my file. So a lot of times I'll take my nail out and file it that way, just to try and keep my hand the longest I can. However, you also want to be careful with your own skin and other people's skin that you're putting nail products on, like gel top coat, base coat, any kind of gel, acrylic, primer. All that stuff can cause a skin reaction. You can develop an allergy to it. Even if you start out, you don't have an allergy and you're like, oh, I'm fine. You can develop an allergy if you continue to get this stuff on your skin constantly. I know, because it happened to me. So just be careful. You're not exempt from it if it doesn't happen the first time you get something on your skin. You can develop it. After applying the gel polish and curing for 60 seconds, I put 2 coats on, 60 seconds each time I cure. Now I'm going to go in with my top coat from Profiles Backstage, and I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds, and then I am going to place my pasty. I'm taking a little at a time because these stickers are super duper thin, and if I just pulled the backing off the whole thing, it would probably roll up on the sides and the end, and it would be a lot harder. So I'm just doing a little bit at a time, and I'm taking the tweezers that has the end thing, and I'm rubbing it on there as I go down, and I'm cutting as I go as well. When you're rubbing a pasty on a full nail, you want to make sure that you start from the top and work your way down, so you work all those bubbles out. As you can see here, I cut right through the middle because the shape of it isn't as round, and it comes to a point at the end. So you want to have a little bit of flexibility as you're going down, so it kind of overlaps, but you can't really tell. So sometimes I do that, even with the round one, the small stickers that are round. I do that sometimes with flowers and stuff like that. I just cut a little slit, and you can hardly see it. Now I'm going to take my Tammy Taylor peel and stick file, and I'm going to file those edges to get that excess sticker off of there and make sure it's nice and flush. And then I go in with my Magic Matte top coat from Profiles Backstage, and I'm going to cover this whole nail, cure it for 30 seconds. Curing, I move on to the middle finger, and I'm going to take that same pearl nail polish, and I'm going to do this little design where you need straight lines. I don't know what it is about straight lines, but I struggle. It takes me forever to do a straight line. I don't understand why. I ended up getting frustrated and I just took the nail out of the finger. I'm kind of out of frame, sorry about that, but as you can see, I'm filling in half and half. Half on the bottom, half on the top on the opposite side. And after I put that on, I cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds, and then I put another coat on there and cure that for 30 seconds. After putting on that second coat, you can see here that I take the dotting tool and kind of do little swirlies to give it a little texture, but I didn't do it on the top one because you couldn't really tell, and I think it's because I didn't do it on the first coat and the second coat. I don't know, but I seen them do it on Profiles Backstage when they showed the swag bag, and it looked so cool, but I don't know, it didn't work the way that it did with theirs when I did it. So anyways, I am now taking my Outshine top coat from Profiles Backstage, and I am making this nail shiny. After I cover the whole nail, I will cure it for 30 seconds. And then I take one of those cute little bow stickers and I put it right in the middle where those lines meet. I'm going to rub that on there so it's nice and smooth and all the bubbles are out, and then I will put another top coat on. As you can see, after putting top coat on that middle nail, you can actually see the squigglies that I put at the bottom, so that's pretty cool. But moving on to the pointer finger, I'm going to coat this with a shiny top coat because I'm going to put stickers on this one. You want to make sure that you have a shiny top coat or gel on there, not a matte, not freshly filed, because your stickers will not stick to that. After I put the top coat on, I cure it for 30 seconds and then it's ready for the stickers. I decided to go with the cute little speckled eggs that have like bunny ears that you can see through it. I put these all over. I was just kind of checking here and there with these eggs to see if they looked right, but I didn't feel like they did, so I stuck with the see-through ones and rubbed them on like the others. After I got these stickers on, I decided to go in with that pearl gel polish again and fill in the bunny ears because it's kind of hard to see. Yeah, so I went ahead and I filled those in, and then I cured that for 30 seconds, and I made sure to put 2 coats of that, curing each for 30 seconds. Pinky nail, I decided to put a little cute bow at the top where the cuticle is, so I'm going in with the Outshine top coat and I cure that for 30 seconds, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go straight in with my bow sticker. I think I used a white one, if I remember. Yes, like a little white cream colored one. I put that on and rub it in like the others. Then I go in with that pearl gel polish and I outline the bow just to give it a little more dimension and character. After I outlined that bow, I decided to outline the middle finger bow as well, just to tie it all together. And then I decided that I wanted them all matte, so I'm taking the Magic Matte from Profiles Backstage and I'm applying it to all the other fingernails except for the one I already did, and then I cure that for about 30 to 60 seconds. So I couldn't help myself and I decided to put some stones and stuff on top. These little pearl thingies, can't remember what they're called. They are from Enel Couture, but these stones are from Profiles Backstage, and I will be putting those around the cuticle. And these I got from Amazon. They're real tiny little, like those little tiny pearls. And then I had those stones I got from Amazon as well. And then I'm going to take the Art Deco from Profiles Backstage to apply these things. But I ended up not even using the little tiny pixie crystals. I put one there just to see what it looked like, which it's cute, but I ended up using the caviar beads. That's what they're called. Duh. But anyway, so with the rabbit, I decided to put a little pink nose there, and then I decided to put 2 black eyes. I ended up changing my mind and took it off. I don't know, can't remember if I took off the nose as well. I think I did. It'll be a surprise for all of us. We'll see at the end. But anyways, it just didn't look right because it was the only rabbit that had eyes. I just didn't like it, so I took it off. But in the middle of the bows, like I said, I'm putting a little caviar bead that kind of looks like a tiny pearl. And then I'll just let you watch as I place everything, and the stones, I place some around the cuticle as well. My shout out this week goes out to Amanda S. Thank you girls so much for always stopping by and then leaving me a comment and watching my videos. It means a lot to me. It means a lot to me that all of you show up like you have been. If you would like to be entered in the next giveaway, just make sure that you like my video, comment, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Here is the final result. It turned out so cute and very Eastery. Profiles Backstage does an amazing job with being very festive with each of their swag bags, and I love how each seasonal thing, they have it the month before. It works out perfectly that way, and I was very confused at first when I started it, and I wish I wouldn't have waited so long to start the swag bag, because you get some amazing things, and it's good quality, great price for the stuff that you get in there. If you would like to be entered into the giveaway, you must be subscribed to my channel, this channel. You must be following me on Instagram, which I will have here on the screen. Please like my video and leave me a comment. You can share if you want, but it's not required. But every little bit helps me. And I appreciate you guys so much. I hope you have a fantastic Easter. I might be having another giveaway. I'm not sure yet, but stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one. Happy Easter, guys.